This compact jack skid steer loader packs big power into a tough, versatile design. With low ground pressure rubber tracks, it glides through mud, sand, and slopes without slipping or sinking, far more stable than wheeled models. Compact frame and 360-degree zero-turn capacity, perfect for tight spaces, residential renovations, urban repairs, greenhouse work. No room is too small. Quick attach system sweeps buckets, hammers, sweepers, snow blades in seconds. One machine for loading, breaking, cleaning, snow removal, all jobs covered. ROPS certified operator cab and responsive hydraulic controls. Safe and easy to operate, even for new users. Welcome to contact us for more details.